we are back at the stream. It's the 18th of February. Been a lot of rain in the last month. Pretty much constant rain, with the exception of 1 or 2 odd days of sun. Yeah, we haven't been doing much fishing, so we're a bit rusty, but the stream is fairly clear. I can see the bottom, but it's got that bluey green tinge to it as well, so that should help us to not spook as many fish as we would potentially when it's crystal clear. So it should be a good day. And we're fishing dry droppers, 12-foot leaders, and cicadas, and small little dark nymphs. So stay tuned, we'll catch a fish. This is the first run that we've fished today. We jumped in down here off this big hill, and Cameron's off to fish a slightly decent area up there with a bit more depth. And this run here I only ever catch piddlers, so I usually just skip it, but I just wanted to get on the board for the day to start out with a fish, and I've put on a really leggy hare's ear, which I tied with basically just straight off the pelt fur, so it's very raw and leggy. And first cast, I've hooked into this nice little rainbow, just a beautiful little piddler. This is really cold fresh water because it's rained recently. There's the nymph, it's very leggy and everything. There's the fish, and off he goes. Not bad for the first cast, so I'm on the board, and Cameron probably will be soon too because he's fishing some slightly better water. And we'll keep fishing and get back to you, so stay tuned. Right, second hook up. It's just slightly above where I got that last fish, and it's slightly bigger, not big, but slightly bigger. He's about a pound. Oh, he's beached himself. Getting better. Still first run. That was only third or fourth cast. Come on, mate, calm down. You're good. Man, he's a fat little guy. Really fat, good condition. Just a pretty little, maybe just over a pound rainbow, maybe a pound and a quarter. Fat little guy. Shoots off. No problems whatsoever, and I'll get back in the water. Stay tuned. Just unexpectedly hooked onto a decent fish on his dry fly, just on the beetle. Yeah, he's got a big knot in his line, so that's not going to help him. And there's a lot of snags in here. That fish is going straight for them. It's a decent one. It's at least a 2-pounder. By the looks, I'm not 100% sure. Oh! I got a few rocks in there for you, mate, just to add to the scales. Oh. I got on camera. Sweet. Yeah. Right. Just got Cameron just hooked another rainbow on the dry, on the beetle, and he's gonna have to keep it out of all the snags in here, so it's gonna be a bit challenging. He's going. It's going really hard. I'll keep him in the water for you. There has been a heap of rain though, so it's better than we kind of expected it to be. I thought vaguely that I glimpsed a big fish sitting underneath the blackberries over there, and Cameron put a drift through, and I thought, oh no, it wasn't a big fish, it was just my imagination. And then next thing you know, it comes up and straight away takes the beetle. Yeah. It's beating the cicadas today, and it's a good fish. Probably fish of the day. Yeah. I might just chill out. He's not as big as I thought, but still, the take was exciting as hell. bad, not bad. Just another dry fly fishing camera, that's number 8 and that's Kevin's 4th. So we're going pretty good fish for fish. Just got beetle on the bottom. That's a decent fish. Alright, we'll get back into it. Getting a little bigger. Cameron's going to fish to this really nice rainbow. He's probably about 4 pound. Looks really thick across the shoulder from here. So where he is if you look down there, there's this brown thing sticking out. The fish is directly at the tip of the brown thing. He's just searching the top of the water column here. You see him, eh? Oh, he just rose. Very slightly. If I was you, I'd chuck on something really small, bro. That's on top of a snag. I can't see it. He's going over, he's going up. You got him! Oh! Oh! Yeah. Bad luck. He was a good one, bro. He was getting up to 5, I reckon.